Hello everyone, this is Lula from King Car, and today I will introduce you something about King Car company. As you can see, this is our office, which has more than 1,000 square meters. And we also have a big factory. You can saw that on another video. So that today I will introduce you some details and some information about our King Car office, and I will show you some details. Hello, this is our meeting reception room, and actually King Car was established in Changsha City, Hunan Province in 2001. And welcome to our King Car and to visit King Car. And as you can see, there are many certificates of King Car. We already got more than 19 inventional patents and more than 100 Chinese registered trademarks and more than 50 international trademarks, so that you don't need to worry about the import issues and the King Car quality. And King Car already sold this machine, DPF cleaning machine, to more than 43 countries, such as the USA, UK, Canada, Spain, Chile, and Mexico, and so on. There are also many customers visited King Car before the COVID-19, and also during the recent years, there are more and more customers start to come visit China and King Car. And as you can see, there are many customers visited King Car, and we took the pictures with them, such as this one. This is our Hugo customer, and this is our Netherlands customer, and there are also many machines in our customer's workshop. You can saw that very clearly, and also welcome you to King Car. This is our big meeting room, and every week we will hold the meeting together, and we also will hold a sharing meeting with our colleagues every month, because we will also read one book together. Our boss very encourage us to read more and to promote us every month, so that we will use this meeting rule every week and every month. This is our DPF 5 cleaning machine, which is very popular in this DPF cleaning field. And welcome to choose King Car. We already sold this machine to more than 43 countries, such as the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Chile, Spain, and many European countries, as you can see on this picture. And here I can show you there are many machines in our customers' workshop. And more workshops already start this high profit business. Please feel free to contact us. Welcome to join us. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.